I've got the Samsung Galaxy S20 right here, and due to the growing number of requests for this topic, I figured I would go over a number of different ways that you can clean, disinfect, and sterilize your Samsung Galaxy S20, Galaxy S20 Plus, or Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now these devices are all rated IP68 when it comes to water and dust resistance. So that means that they can be submerged up to 1 meter, that's 3 feet, for 30 minutes without having any water damage. So if you have a case on your phone, go ahead and take it off. And the first thing I suggest doing is to just wash the phone with soap and water. Use some dish soap or some soft soap, hand soap. Just soap up the phone and wash it. Even the CDC recommends you wash your hands for, I believe it's 40 seconds or longer, especially for COVID-19. That soap will break down the virus and will kill it. So the first and cheapest way to clean your Galaxy S20 is to just wash it in the sink. Just get some soap, lather it up. Now this might not be applicable for everybody in all situations. I know people on the go might not be able to stop and clean their phone under a sink. So another thing that you can do is actually buy some alcohol. You can either get the bottle or carry around these alcohol swabs. Companies like Nokia and Apple recommend that you can clean your phone with alcohol that is no higher than 70% isopropyl. If you go higher, technically it's still okay. It's not going to break the phone, but it will eat away at the oleophobic coating, the oil and fingerprint resistant coating that you have on your device. So that's something to keep in mind of. These are very cheap, very easy to get, even just a bottle of 70% rubbing alcohol, same thing. And you can just rub down the phone and it will clean and sterilize it. There are also some other products that you can get. I know there is this spray called Whoosh that is getting pretty popular. It's just a spray in a bottle. Comes with a cloth to clean down the phone. I'll be linking to that Amazon product in the full tutorial for this video. And you can even get another product, I believe it's called the phone bath or something. It basically looks like a soap dish. You plug it in, put your phone inside of it, and it will kill all the bacteria and viruses and everything on it with UV lighting. It's definitely expensive, but it's one way to clean your device without having to use rubbing alcohol or a cleaner or, again, even soap and water if you so choose to not clean your Galaxy S20 that way. But again, thanks for Samsung's IP68 rating on the Galaxy S20. We can actually clean our device just with regular soap and water. It's not going to harm your device. As long as you do it, don't scrub it for over a minute. Don't take a Brillo pad to it. Just get some regular soap and water, lather it up, and rinse it off.